Despite the fact that we're not seeing the thousands of maidens, there's still song and dance and color here on the grounds of the Nkanyeni Royal Palace. Now, these 30 maidens who've been chosen to participate in this historic Umkhosi womhlanga are those who have already been going through the process to get married. In fact, 28-year-old Sangweni, who joins us now, is going to be getting married next year. Fanele, thank you for speaking to Newsroom Africa. It's a very special year for you. It's your last redance. How does this feel for you as a young woman?
I'm very excited. I'm happy about everything. The difficulties that we are having right now is the corona situation. But as for me coming here, I feel honored and I feel privileged. And I'm so sorry for other medians who didn't get the chance to come here. As we are here, we're going to represent everyone who's at home.
Now, it's going to be different this year. You're not going to be laying down reeds before the king, but messages of anti-gender-based violence. How important is this for you to represent women on this level?
Yeah, the thing about the gender violence is so painful. But as we are going to push the flags up and say stop to the gender violence, I'm here to stand for all the women who's been abused. Some have been raped, some have been beaten. But I'm here to say viva Mbogodo, viva, and we're going to be safe one day. Thank you.